So hello guys and welcome to this video, and today I'm going to teach you that how you can get the success safety net in Magisk, and you can use any banking application. I'm going to show you that how are you going to use any banking application. So first of all, let's go to the Magisk and let me show you that I don't have safety net success right now. I'm going to show you I don't have nothing. Okay, you can see in the modules I have none of the modules installed in my phone. Okay, what is this sketch bar? Okay, I will just take a look at that later. So let me just show you another thing. Let me go to any payment application. So let's suppose we have this application here. It's for Indians, but I'm gonna show you this now. For example, okay, so let me just go to this Paytm number. Okay, device is rooted. Okay, so you can't actually get into that application without unrooting your device. So that is how it works. So what we're going to do, let me just show you right now. So first of all, what do you need to do? We need to flash some of the modules. So we're gonna flash the reroute module in our Android application. And if you want to set up like me, whatever I have here, you can search for the application. This is called Nigura Launcher Pro version. I can give you a link down in the description, and the icons I'm using I don't know, remember the name. It was like Lux Free. It is Lux Free application, so you can use the icons from that application. So I'm just delete. Okay, so that's how I got this one. So we're just going to open Magisk, and we're going to search for reroute, because Zenix is we're going to use actually a Magisk module that's called Universal Safety Net Fix, and its latest version is like 2.2.0, but it's Zenix based. So we're not going to use Zenix right now. We're going to only use reroute because it's much easier, and it has a similar setup like for a normal ROM. So it's done. I'm going to go back, and we're going to come back in the modules, and here we're going to go to the browser. So we'll browser and search for Universal Fix Safety Net. Okay, so it's going to be the latest one, the K-Dragon. So what you need to do, I will also give you the link down in the description. It's going to go to GitHub releases. You can see Zenix is the latest one, but we need the reroute 2.1.2. Go to assets. I'm going to download this one. And right now I'm using a stock Android that is actually a custom ROM of oneui, and it feels a little bit faster because it's so much unbloated, and I really like it. So it's already done. Okay, so let me go here. Let's go to Magisk back again. I'm gonna go to install from storage. Here you go, the safety net. Let's go back, and now we need to search for Magisk hide config prop. Magisk hide. Okay, Magisk hide props config, because this is one of the most important thing we need to have, because it's gonna allow us to change the fingerprint of our device. You can see creating fingerprint files. Probably after this step we need to reboot our Android device. Before rebooting, let me just mention another thing here, that close this one, and we need to download a Thermux application from a Play Store. Play Store, we're going to click on the install the application. So the installation is going to be pretty fast. Okay, so we can see here. Okay, so the app has been installed. Okay, so the app has been successfully installed, and we also need to grant it the root permissions. I can't grant a root permission while I'm recording because there's some problems with that. So we're just going to go to here, and I guess first of all we need to open the Thermux one time. Installing the application stuff. And now if you're going to try SU, it's going to ask for permissions, probably granted. Okay, it accepted. So the bug was fixed in the beta 2 version of whatever ROM I'm using. So you're gonna exit the session, and I'm gonna restart my Wolfram real quick, and I'm gonna come back. Okay guys, so I'm here back after restarting my Android device, so actually rebooting my Android device. So now we're gonna search for Thermux, and we're gonna open the Thermux application. So now, yeah, just same thing, type SU, and after that type props, because now probably we have flashed our SafetyNet fix in 2.1.2, so probably it's going to be fine. Now let's take a look at that. Yeah, first of all we need to type 1, because we need to edit the device fingerprint. So we're gonna type 1, and now type F, because we need to pick a certified fingerprint, so that it should detect we are using any, root or something like that. Now from here, choose your device, choose the company of your device. In my case, it is Samsung, so I'm gonna choose 26. And from here, they're gonna show you all of the models available for your Android device. So you need to choose one for yourself. In my case, I'm gonna choose 35 number, which is M21. Okay, so you're gonna type yes, you're gonna type Y 2 times. First Y for confirming every single detail, and the second Y for rebooting your Android device, because that's going to be the part when your SafetyNet is going to be fixed. So I'm gonna just type Y another time. So we're gonna meet in the next part. So hello guys, and welcome to another part of this video. And we have rebooted our device second time, and here you might notice that they're showing us finishing system update, and just don't mind that, it's no side thing. Now go to Magisk, and this is the part of truth. We're gonna go to the check SafetyNet this time, and you will see that your SafetyNet sign should be probably a success. But if not, it's not success, and your SafetyNet sign is not success. What do you want to do? You want to go back. You want to come back here and here. So 1 minute. Let me just take a look at that. So what you actually want to do? You want to go back, and here you need to enable the SafetyNet hide stuff, and probably you need to reboot your Android device another time. So I'm gonna come back. But probably sorry, you don't actually have to reboot your Android device. You just have to enable the. Let's go to setting and enable the Magisk hide, so that it's gonna actually it's actually going to use the Magisk hide props config. It's not going to use it till you have not enabled that thing. Now if you're going to check your SafetyNet, it's going to be success. So congratulations guys, everything was fine. And let me show you that how you actually going to prevent your application from detecting root. Let's go to the shield option, and now click on the Magisk hide at the top option. So after going to the Magisk hide option, what you want to do is just select the application from here. In my case, first of all, I'm going to select the application of ATM. Now the application is going to be Geo application, so Heartbeat. Okay, now I'm just going to select Heartbeat, everything Heartbeat, QB Pro, and well, yeah, that's it. We're just going to go back. Now here we go. Now I'm going to open our application just to show you. Where is P? Okay, so same application, same timing, same bank. Right? So now it's letting us access. Now it's not showing us any root or something like that. So congratulations guys for your success. That was it for this video. I hope you liked all of the videos. I will see you in the next one. Have